Welcome, and let's talk about branching. And if you are familiar with the programming language, C++, C Sharp, or Java, or any other programming language, you would have used if-else condition to write certain logic on the basis of certain conditions. And right now, we will talk about that in Python. So how you can write your branching conditions using the Python code. Let's take this example where I want to check if let's delete this, and if I want to check if my number a which I've assigned as 5 is less than 10 or not. And right now if I'll write this code, you can see that a is greater than 10. Oh no, sorry, this is so a is less than 10. So let's do this, and I have this. So you can see that in Python, you don't have to provide any bracket, any parenthesis in any conditions. And we'll see that, like, for example, if you want to write if else, write if and the number if you want to check. For example, you want to check a is less than 100. For example, less than 2. Let's check and print if a is less than 2, or else print a is greater than 2. You can see that it's saying that a is greater than 2 and it's 15. So you can see that we don't have to provide any parentheses. The indentation is very much important in this, and you have to provide this 4 space or even a tab. So if you want to provide, you can see that tab. If you'll do this, you can see that there will be an error because it is expected an indented block, and when it is not finding it, it will throw an error. So whenever you're providing any logical conditions like if else those kinds of things, right now let's deep down and let's use if else condition. If you want to use that L if condition, and if you want to provide L if a is greater than 50, you can okay, is greater than 10, print is greater than 10, or else a is greater than 2. Or if let's run this code, and you can see that a is greater than 10, and we can directly see that it came under this loop and it printed a is greater than 10. So there are a lot of condition you can write using if else condition. Let's try to build one more most famous example, whether a number is prime number or not. So let's take this example and let's build this code. You can provide the comment using uh, using this, and you can write prime number, and let's give this number a as 15. And okay, let's take this number as prime. Let's check even odd first. So let's check if the number is even or odd, and we know if the number is divisible by 2 it's even, or else it's an odd number. And let's write the logic. If a is divisible, if we'll do that, so it is the remainder which will be remain, and if it's equal to 0, then we'll print a is even, else a is odd. And let's run this code, and you can see that a is odd. And let's change this number and provide it, that's 100, and you can see that a is number. So it's so easily you can write even the even odd number program easily using the Python. And let's move on to the next. So you can see that these are the logic I have provided, the indentation and the this colon, both are important in Python for any branching and conditions.